So in this video, you'll learn how to unarchive apps on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you want to restore an app so that you can continue using it if you've previously archived it, then what you're going to do is just start by navigating to Settings. Once you're in Settings, you then want to scroll and select the option Apps, and then from here, look for the app that you've unarchived. If you can't tell the difference, then just look for an app icon that has a download option on top and select it. From here, you should see this option Restore, so you'll tap on it and the app will start installing all the files that had been archived previously. Alternatively, you can always just find the app icon on your home screen, tap on that download icon that you see, and then confirm that you wish to restore. Once you've done that, simply wait for the app to be downloaded or to be reinstalled on your phone, as well as any of the app data that had been previously archived. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.